Todo Tales. Hello, friends. Welcome to Todo Tales. Let's play Guess the Vegetables. Look picture and say the name. Let's go. Children, who I am. Tomato. Who I am. Corn. Kids, who I am. Carrot. Children, who I am. Sweet potato. Who I am. Peas. Children, who I am. Bell pepper. Children, who I am. Broccoli. Kids, who I am. Pumpkin. Children, who I am. Lettuce. Who I am. Cauliflower. Who I am. Spinach. Children, who I am. Beet. Children, who I am. Okra. Kids, who I am. Eggplant. Children, who I am. Radish. Kids, who I am. Butternut squash. Children, who I am. Zucchini. Who I am. Cabbage. Children, who I am. Potato. Kids, who I am. Onion.